Welcome back to our chapter-wise summary of The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Dr. Joseph Murphy. Today, we're diving into Chapter 3, The Miracle-Working Power of Your Subconscious. This chapter reveals something truly powerful: your subconscious. Mind can heal, solve problems, and even transform your life, if you know how to tap into it. Dr. Murphy shares fascinating examples: people healing from diseases, overcoming financial struggles, and finding success, all by planting the right beliefs in their subconscious. The key message? Your subconscious doesn't know the difference between what's real and what's imagined. Whatever you consistently believe and visualize, it accepts as true and works to make it real. Let's say you're struggling with a health issue. Instead of focusing on pain, you visualize perfect health every day. You repeat to yourself, "Every cell in my body is healthy and vibrant." Your subconscious picks up on this, and slowly your body begins to follow that belief. The same goes for confidence, career, and relationships. If you keep telling yourself you're unlucky or not good enough, your subconscious takes that in and shapes your world around it. But if you shift that belief, the results can be miraculous. That wraps up Chapter 3 of The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. Your mind is far more powerful than you think, and you hold the key. In Chapter 4, we'll discover how to use your subconscious for health and well-being. So, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This journey is just getting started.